Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install certificates on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So do a swipe up and go to your settings and click on security and privacy. From here, scroll down to where you have more security settings, click on that. And from here, you want to click on secure folder. Now, you first need to create a secure folder in order to access this. So if you don't have a secure folder set up, you want to first take a few minutes to set this up by clicking the secure folder. It will take a few minutes to create. You'll enter your PIN and then it will be set up. Now, once it is set up, guys, just scroll down to where you have the other security settings. And from here, you will see install from device storage. So you can click on that to access where you have those different certificates that you need to set up. So you have the CA certificate, you have the VPN and app user certificate, and you also have the Wi-Fi certificate. So for example, a CA certificate, you can click on that and install anyway. And you can do it for VPN and user certificate. If you have that, you can simply go ahead and click internal storage and you'll be able to find those certificates here as well. So you can set up, same goes for the Wi-Fi certificate. You can simply go ahead and do that as well. But that's how you can easily go ahead and install certificates from your device storage on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.